Disasters give no warning. They can happen at any time and to anyone. So, the best you can do is to prepare yourself for the worst. Also, collect the gear that solves the biggest issues of survival. And to help you with all that, we have made a list of 70 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. The purchase links and the updated price are provided in the video description. Let us get started. The Scallywag Malice is a fixed blade dagger that can keep you safe and also help you survive. At 12 inches overall, this dual-edged knife is built for serious situations, whether it's for self-defense or tough survival tasks. The 6 3/4-inch blade is crafted from K340 steel, ensuring top-notch edge retention. It comes with a Kydex sheath featuring a dual retention quick release, making it easy to deploy in a pinch. The G10 handle scales are textured for a solid grip, and the handle is cleverly designed with a swell at the top and a hand stop to keep your grip secure, even when using force. The signature fuller groove not only adds some flair, but also reduces the overall weight. Whether you're adding to your bug-out bag or preparing for worst-case scenarios, the Malice is a no-nonsense tool that's ready to back you up when it matters most. A reliable flashlight like the Olight Seeker 4 Pro, in times of emergencies, will guide your way. This compact device delivers 4,600 lumens with a 260-meter throw, which is an upgrade over the 4,200 lumens of the Seeker 3 Pro. With 6 brightness modes and a user-friendly metal switch, you've got complete control, including stepless dimming. Then it's IPX8 waterproof, so rain or splashes won't slow it down. Charging is simple too because of its USB-C compatible holster, which the earlier version didn't have, and the optional MCC3 magnetic charger. Plus, the holster isn't just for charging. It keeps the flashlight secure and within arm's reach. When it comes to picking a backpack that's ready for the tough times, the Condor Elite Nomad is tough to beat. This bag offers a roomy 25-liter main compartment. The stowable beaver tail also adds extra storage space, while hidden side pockets with MOLLE webbing let you attach additional pouches. The reverse U-zip opening is a neat touch, giving you the option of top or full panel access depending on what you're carrying. Moreover, it's built with modularity in mind, featuring PALS webbing on the hip belt and bottom anchor points, so you can tweak it to fit your setup. Add in the 3 top lid pockets for quick grab essentials and a padded hip belt for comfort, and you've got a pack that's as versatile as it is sturdy. Shelter is very important in a survival scenario. The Go Time Gear Life Tent takes care of that. It's ultra lightweight at just 8.7 ounces, making it easy to toss in your pack without adding unnecessary bulk. Designed to protect against hypothermia in extreme weather, the waterproof and windproof construction keeps you safe from rain, wind, and snow, while the reflective interior helps retain up to 90% of your body heat. The setup is simple too. Just run the 20-foot paracord between 2 anchors and secure the corners with rocks or gear. You can even use it as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket in a pinch. On top of that, the nylon stuff sack includes a 550-pound paracord and a 120 decibel whistle to signal for help over a mile away. The 4 Patriots 4-week emergency food supply. Survival Kit solves the problem of food in emergencies. When disaster strikes just like the California fire a few weeks ago, food becomes scarce. However, a food kit like this can help you more than survive. It's packed with 192 servings, giving you roughly 1302 calories per day for a month. The kit also includes 11 different recipes, ensuring variety in your meals while you're hunkered down or camping. What's really cool is the 25-year shelf life, as long as it's stored in cool, dry conditions away from heat and moisture. Perfect for long-term storage. All you need to do is add boiling water and simmer for about 15 minutes, and you're good to go. The triple-layer Mylar packaging with oxygen absorbers keeps everything sealed tight, protecting it from air, light, and moisture. Moreover, this kit is lightweight and easy to store or transport, making it ideal for any survival situation. If you're looking for a doomsday survival gadget that can provide shelter without weighing you down, the Primal Emergency Tent is a good pick. Weighing in at just 14.3 ounces and folding down to the size of a soda can, it's incredibly portable yet spacious enough for two people to sit comfortably inside. Furthermore, its patent-pending doors provide superior weather protection compared to basic tarps, keeping you safe from wind and rain in harsh conditions. Made from tear-resistant PET mylar, it's not only durable but also reflects up to 90% of your body heat, ensuring warmth when you need it most. Plus, it comes with everything you need: stakes, paracord, and a carry bag. Having a reliable light source is quite important in emergencies, and the Nightcore NU27 is a good pick for such situations. With a maximum output of 600 lumens and a beam distance of up to 123 meters, this headlamp is designed for the outdoors. What sets it apart is its multiple color temperature feature, allowing you to switch between warm, neutral, and cool light settings. This versatility means you can choose the perfect lighting for any situation. Warm light cuts through the fog, while cool light mimics midday sunlight. Plus, with a runtime of up to 57 hours on the lowest setting and a lightweight design at just 56 grams, it won't weigh you down. The headlamp also includes special modes like SOS and a red light for preserving night vision. Lastly, it's tough, waterproof, and ready for the worst. A shovel might not be the best for survival, but the Nextool multifunctional shovel is. With 3 separate aluminum alloy tubes, you can easily adjust its length to suit your needs. And the 180-degree multi-angle fast-switching feature lets you tackle various tasks effortlessly. Weighing in at 1450.5 grams, it's sturdy yet portable enough for emergency preparedness. Moreover, constructed from 20 KR13 steel and featuring an aerospace-grade aluminum handle, this shovel is built to last. It comes equipped with a bottle opener, wrench, saw, hook knife, screwdriver, fire stick, survival whistle, glass breaker, and even a compass. Everything you need in one compact tool. Whether you're digging a fire pit or breaking glass in an emergency, this shovel has got your back. Pack from Mystery Ranch is specifically designed for fireline medics, but can be a great bug-out bag for preppers too. This comprehensive medical bag features quick-access shears and tourniquet loops, ensuring that critical tools are readily available when every second counts. The pack includes 2 external detail pockets and an arc compartment with a lockable zipper, providing organized storage for various items. Moreover, equipped with mole attachment points, it allows for additional gear customization, such as attaching a fire shelter case. The removable side pockets also can be utilized for hydration or other essentials. Accessing internal gear is made easy with a rip-zip lid, granting immediate entry to a Stop the Bleed kit and extra tourniquet loops. Inside, you'll find 2 small REM pockets, an intubation roll, 2 large removable pockets, 2 eye bags, and an O2 ladder that accommodates various oxygen bottle sizes. With a capacity of 72 liters, this pack efficiently holds both medical equipment and personal gear, making it an ideal choice for medical professionals or emergencies. You can go on without many things, but not water. That is where the Platypus Quick Draw comes in. Weighing only 2.2 ounces and measuring 5 by 1.8 inches, this compact filter is designed to fit seamlessly into your gear without adding bulk. With a remarkable flow rate of up to 3 liters per minute, it utilizes advanced hollow fiber technology to effectively remove bacteria and protozoa thanks to its 0.2 micron filter, which meets NSF P231 standards. The filter cartridge also boasts a lifespan of 1,000 liters. Its dual thread design allows compatibility with various bottles, including smart water and many 28mm options. Lastly, cleaning is simple, with shake-to-clean and back-flushing methods, keeping maintenance simple. You are not fully prepped without a dependable light source, and the Helio will light your way no matter what. This solar-powered lantern is perfect for adventures or emergencies. It's got a high-capacity solar panel that keeps it charged, plus a USB option for quick power-ups, so you never have to worry about being left in the dark. Whether you're out camping or stuck in a power outage, it's got your back with multiple light modes, including high, medium, low, and even red light for preserving night vision. It can last up to a month on a single charge at its lowest setting. Plus, the versatile stand lets you use it as a lantern, close-range light, or even mount it somewhere secure with the clamp. And bonus, 100% of Helio sales profits go to supporting nonprofit organizations that help bring light and power to underserved communities. There's something genuinely satisfying about a tool that combines a lot of other tools in a compact form factor. And the Ant Design Carabiner Multi-Tool is exactly that kind of device. At its core, this tool functions as a standard carabiner with a spring-loaded gate that offers secure fastening for keys, gear, or bags. The device's most impressive attribute is its meticulously engineered tool integration. Consider the bottle opener. It's not just a simple cutout, but a precisely designed section that allows smooth beverage access. The screwdriver components aren't afterthoughts. They include both flathead and Phillips head variations, which ensures compatibility with most standard fastening requirements. Onwards, the cutting implement, whether a knife blade or saw, is strategically designed as a fold-out or retractable component, which maintains the tool's sleek profile while providing durable cutting capabilities. Hex wrenches are precisely pre-cut, with varying hole sizes and accommodate an extensive range of bolt head dimensions. All these make it a marvel of compact engineering. The Slide Belt's Survival Belt is a belt that does so much more than hold up your pants. It's made from materials like reinforced synthetic canvas or a custom polymer blend so that it can endure rugged use but still maintain a sleek appearance. Its true highlight lies in the buckle, which transforms into a survival toolkit. Depending on the model, you'll find tools like a ferrocerium fire starter rod, an LED flashlight for low visibility scenarios, a bottle opener for convenience, a compact knife blade for cutting tasks, and even a screwdriver for minor repairs. The belt uses a ratchet mechanism, sliding neatly into the buckle for a secure hold without relying on traditional holes. In fact, with a quick-release lever, you can make micro adjustments for a perfect fit. All in all, it's a durable, stylish solution for outdoor enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike. Looking for a backpack that's designed with military-grade durability and versatile functionality? The Maxpedition Havoc 2 backpack is crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and urban explorers. It offers an ergonomic layout with intelligently designed compartments that includes a spacious main compartment with organizers for laptops, hydration bladders, or other gear. A front admin pocket provides easy access to essentials like tools or notebooks, while expandable side pockets accommodate water bottles or extra supplies. Its MOLLE-compatible webbing system ensures customization by attaching additional pouches or accessories. The padded shoulder straps and back panel enhance comfort during extended use, and compression straps keep the load tidy. This backpack is especially built to tackle durability concerns, organization challenges, and weight distribution issues. That's how the Havoc 2 adapts comfortably to any adventure or mission. Cold Steel Recon Hawk. If you're serious about prepping, the Cold Steel Recon Hawk is one tough tool you'll want in your gear stash. Designed by Andrew Demko, this hatchet is made from 65 MN steel with a full tang design, so you know it's built to handle some serious abuse. Whether you're chopping through wood, smashing car windows, or puncturing tires, it gets the job done. Weighing in at 24 ounces, it's hefty enough for heavy-duty tasks, but still easy to handle. The nylon handle gives you a solid grip, and the patented articulating sheath keeps things safe and secure when you're on the move. What really sets it apart is its versatility. Whether you're using it as a hatchet, a cutting tool, or even a throwing weapon, it's up for the challenge. When it comes to compact survival tools, the Bugeye Mini Compass, even with its small size, holds its ground. About the size of a coin, this little device keeps you on track no matter where you're headed. It's a 360-degree floating compass that works fast to give you both cardinal directions and detailed path info, which is a lifesaver when you're navigating unfamiliar ground. What makes it even better? The luminous dials light up in low-light conditions, so if you're moving after dark, you're not left guessing. Built tough, it comes in your choice of Grade 5 titanium or black aluminum with an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it'll handle heavy rain, drops, and just about anything else. Furthermore, it's so compact you can hook it to your keychain or strap it to your bug-out bag without even noticing it's there until you need it. And that's our list of 70 Doomsday survival gears and gadgets that are a must-have for any prepper. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, goouttdoorzone.com.